Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to lock apps on iPhone, so let's start. First let's go to shortcuts. Here on shortcuts you have to go to the plus symbol or automation and go to the plus symbol, and then you can create a personal automation and you can select whatever you prefer. Alarm, time of day, etc. So you can select whatever. In this case I would select app, and here just it's closed or it's open, depending on what you want. Choose the app. In this case I would select the app Classroom. Just done, and then just write next one, and then you can select here another action, so you can select it, and here on action you can select the action that you prefer. So in this case you can select, for example, close or block, something like that, and close the app if you prefer. So depending on what you want on your lock screen or something like that, you can select it, and then you can lock the screen and something like that. Here is just lock, and then just write next, and here you can see lock screen, as you can see, and then just done. So whenever you want to up the app Classroom, it will be locked. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.